Next speaker is S.Phangnon, Konyak.
Thank you, sir.
He's speaking on a very important subject.
The subject of my special mention is appreciation to the government for creation of Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority. The Eastern Nagaland region, undivided Tuensang district, comprises 6 districts, namely Tuensang, Mon, Longleng, Kifri, Noklak, and Shamator. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization, ENPO, an apex organization representing the 8 recognized Naga tribes of Chang, Sumi Eastern, Kemengen, Konyak, Pom, Sangtam, Tikhir, Nyimkyung, have been demanding for about 2 decades for a separate, full-fledged state on various grounds, including historical background and socio-economic backwardness of the region. On behalf of the lakhs of people of the Frontier Nagaland territory in the interior villages and peripheries, I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Prime Minister for his vision of peace, progress, and prosperity, which is translating on ground, and to Honorable Union Home Minister for his decisive leadership, which has paved the way for the historic signing of the creation of Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority on 5/2/2026. This historic signing of the agreement is a testament of fulfillment of grassroots aspirations, as this was a mass people's movement from the peripheries. I once again, on behalf of the people of Frontier Nagaland Territory, thank the government for this great step and urge for early redressal of long-standing economic and equitable development grievances of Eastern Nagaland. Thank you, sir.